Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with a comparison review of the Wahoo Watch S10, comparing it with our Wahoo Watch S8. And on this video, we are going to focus on the menus and features for the Watch S10, comparing it with the Watch S8. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two wearables, watch this video. And again, if you find this video comparison useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and compare the two smartwatches. Let's go first with the UI. Again, so here's the UI. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. On the left side, we have the split screen. On the right side, we have the widgets or the components. To access the main menu, just press or just swipe and tap on the menu here. For our Watch S10, just press the power button. So it's a different way when it comes to accessing the main menu. Again, for the Watch S10, this is only power on and off button and home button. For the Watch S8, it is a rotary button. Again, for accessing the main menu, swipe, tap on this one. For our Watch S10, just press the power button. Okay, so let's start. So we have the daily activity tracking here. We also have a Bluetooth call. So this is the Bluetooth call. We also have a heart rate monitoring. So where's our heart rate? So different UI style. We have the stress monitoring. We also have it here. Stress and stress. We also have sports activity. Where's our sports? We have workout here. Based on the specifications or the promotional images of the Wahoo Watch S10, we only have 23 plus sports functions. For the Wahoo Watch S10, I think it is more than 100 sports functions. There's a lot of sports functions available for the Wahoo Watch S8. As you can see here, we do have a lot of categories. Okay, going back. So when it comes to the sports functions, the Wahoo Watch S8 is much better. We also have here the blood oxygen monitoring. We also have a sleep monitoring, weather report. We also have a music control. We have a music control here. Yes, we have it here. We have an alarm, breathing guide. They almost have the same features here. We also have here an AI voice or voice assistant. We have the timer, the stopwatch, alarm, cycle tracking, find phone. We also have here the calculator. I don't see any cycle tracking here for our Watch S10. But we also don't have here the world clock, which is available here in the Wahoo Watch S8. So there's no cycle tracking and the world clock. Then next, for the settings, we have a games here. Then for the settings, so we have display here, vibration and ring, brightness. Let's see. For the brightness, it's also full. Display duration, may also have it here. Watch face, of course. Menu view. We have race to wake. Yes, we have it here. But we don't have a Let's see if we do have it do not disturb. Yes, we do have it do not disturb. Low power mode, language support, the QR code, and the system here for shutdown, restart, and what else, and the QR code. You almost have the same offering when it comes to the settings. The only difference here, I think, is the sports functions, and of course the world clock and the female cycle monitoring. There's also a difference when it comes to the access or the way in accessing the menus. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the menus and features of the Huawei Watch S10 comparing it with the Huawei Watch S8. So which do you think is better when it comes to feature offering? Drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.